Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we'll show how to scan a document with iPhone. Step 1. Locate the Files app. On your home screen, find the blue folder on a white background. This is the Files app. Step 2. Access the Scan feature. At the bottom of the Files app, you'll see 3 different toggles in the tab bar. Click on the Browse icon. Step 3. Access the Scan options. In the Browse section, you'll find all the locations, favorites, and tags. In the upper right corner, tap the 3 dots button to reveal more options. Click on the first button that allows you to scan your documents. Step 4. Capture the document. Position the document within the frame on your phone screen, ensuring the entire page fits inside. Tap the shutter button to take a photo of the document. Step 5. Adjust the corners. After taking the photo, use the corner tool to adjust the corners of the document. This step is crucial for a professional-looking scan. Adjust the corners as needed. Step 6. Save the scan. Hit the Keep Scan button to save the document scan. You can continue scanning multiple other documents, and all of them will be combined into one PDF file. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.